Let us solve for s given s raised to power 3 plus s square is equal to 252. The given equation is s raised to power 3 plus s square is equal to 252. Now let's see. Let us test if s is equal to 1, it can be equal to 252. If s is equal to 4, it's not equal to 252. Let's see if s is equal to 5. This is 5 raised to power 3 plus 5 square. This is not equal to 252 because 5 raised to power 3 is 125 plus 25 is not equal to 252. If x is equal to 6, 6 raised to power 3 plus 6 square, is it equal to 252? Now 6 raised to power 6, 6 raised to power 3 is 216 plus 6 square, 36. This is equal to 252. At this point, let us replace this 252 by 216 plus 36. Then we have the equation s raised to power 3 plus s square is equal to, instead of writing this 252, we write 216 plus 36 s raised to power 3 plus s square minus 216 plus 36 is equal to 0. S raised to power 3 plus s square. Let us open the bracket with this negative. We have negative 216 negative 36 is equal to 0. S raised to power 3 plus s square. Then negative 216 can be written as negative 6 raised to power 3. Then negative 36 can be written as negative 6 square is equal to 0. Here we have s raised to power 3 and this is 6 raised to power 3. S raised to power 3 minus 6 raised to power 3 plus this is s square and this is c square. S square minus c square is equal to 0. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3 is equal to a minus b, then a square plus ab plus b square. Then if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b, then bracket a minus b, where a is equal to x and b is equal to 6. Now the whole of this equation can be written as, if you consider this, s minus 6 bracket s square plus 6s plus 6 square, close the bracket, plus, let us consider this, s plus 6 bracket s minus 6 is equal to 0. Now here s minus 6 is common and s minus 6 is common. Let us factor it out. S minus 6 bracket, if you divide the whole of this by this s minus 6, we have s square plus 6s plus 6 square plus, if you divide the whole of this by this s minus 6, we have s plus 6 is equal to 0. S minus 6 bracket s square plus, here is 6s plus s, that is 7s plus 6 square, that is 36 plus 6, that is 42, is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is s minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to 6. This is the first value of s. And from the second case, we have s squared plus 7s plus 42 is equal to 0. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 42. S is equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 7 square minus 4 multiplied by 1, a multiplied by c 42 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 7 square, that is 49, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 42, that is 168 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 168, that is minus 119 divided by 2. S is equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of minus 119 can be written as square root of 119 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. S is equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 119 multiplied by square root of minus 1 over 2. But square root of minus 1 is equal to I. S is equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of minus 1, I root 119 all over 2. These are other values of s. Therefore, our final answer are s1 is equal to 6, s2 is equal to minus 7 plus I square root of 119 over 2. Then s3 is equal to minus 7 minus I square root of 119 over 2. Here you can see that we have one real root and then two complex roots. We may check to confirm if the answer is right or wrong. And of course, we've already checked at the beginning. For you to know if the answer is right or not, let us make use of these real roots. That is, the given equation is s raised to power 3 plus s squared is equal to 252. Then if s is equal to 6, this is 6 raised to power 3 plus 6 squared must be equal to 252. 6 raised to power 3, that is 216 plus 36 must be equal to 252. Then 216 plus 36, this is 252, is equal to 252, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.